Welcome back. Let's now put theory into practice by creating our own custom module. We will create two files, one file to hold our reusable code, and a second file to import and use that code. This demonstrates the core principle of modular programming. 1. Creating the module file. First, create a file named calculations.py. Inside this file, we define two simple functions, add and multiply, and a variable, course_name. This entire file, calculations.py, is now our module. 2. Importing the module. Now, in a separate file, say main.py, we use import calculations. This makes everything defined in calculations.py available to us. Crucially, when using the imported elements, we must prefix them with a module name and a like calculations.add or calculations.course_name. This prevents naming conflicts. 3. The output. The output confirms that our main.py file successfully accessed and executed the add and multiply functions, as well as the course_name variable defined in the completely separate calculations.py module. To summarize, we have created and used a module, demonstrating a way to organize and reuse code in Python. Our next lecture 14.03. Different ways to import. See you there.